Oh, hi guys. Welcome to a quick tutorial on showing you how to plot graphs using Mathematica and MATLAB, right? So I'm going to start off with my function on Mathematica, then I'll do the same function as well on MATLAB. So, so this is the function that I need to plot. Here we are. And then plotting the same function using MATLAB. So 2x cubed. So plot. Right. So here we are. Uh, both uh, um, both softwares just essentially plotted the same graph. Yeah, but it's just a different way of doing things anyway. But essentially, you still get the same result. You know, right? So now, what I need to do is I need to plot another function on the same axis, as well. So I'm going to plot 2x squared. So here we are. Sorry, and you need to put some curly brackets if you've got more than one function. Um, yeah. Right, so I'm going to execute it. So here we are, that's our function there. And then on MATLAB, you need to type in hold on, and then assign a variable y to that function to then plot y, then hold off. As you can see, so the two functions on the same graphs axis. Yeah. Right. So now what I need to do is I need to plot a 3D graph, uh, same graph on both softwares again. So here we are. So parametric plot 3D. And remember, always put curly brackets if you've got more than one function on Mathematica. So the first function is going to be cos 2 times t. And then my second function will be sin. And then pi, you can just press escape and then type pi, or type p anyway, and then you get the pi function. Sorry, the pi symbol, and then type times. And then my third and final function is 2 minus cos. And escape again. Then type the letter of the symbol you want to enter times t. Right, and then close the curly brackets, and then my value for t will be so t will be from 0 to 10 pi. Right, so here's my 3D graph. So it looks like a drum without a bass. Right, right. So I'm gonna plot the same 3D graph using MATLAB. So here we go. So I'm going to assign my variables. No, sorry, t, and then right. So that pi over 50, that's going to be from 0 to 10 pi with increments of pi over 50. This is what that middle figure is. It's just an increments of pi over 50, right? And then my function will be, so x will be my y, sin, and my z will be 2 minus cos pi times t. Right, and then plot 3. So I'll plot in 3 dimension. So 3x. So and z. Yeah, so here we are. So that's essentially the same. That's the same graph, 3D graph, you know, but just using different softwares anyway, and doing the same thing, but just different ways of writing your code. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully this helps, and if anybody's got questions, just hit me up. Thanks guys for watching.